In this video, let me show you how to use the Robinhood extended hours trading option. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now, in order to use this feature, you simply need to set it to the extended hours within the settings of your Robinhood application. So make sure you are on the Robinhood app first of all. You simply need to head over to the menu, and within settings, you should be able to see the option called either trading settings, or you should also be able to see the option which says set trading hours. Within this option, you can either set it to extended hours if you wanted to extend the hours, or if you want it to be a 24-hour market where you are able to place trades, you can select the last option and then simply tap on continue. Once you select either the extended hours or the 24-hour market, you'll be able to choose from different order types such as limit orders, and you'll be able to place a limit order even before the actual market hours are open. So this is the exact steps that you can follow. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a like. I'm going to see you in the next one.